this video, we will see how to use the Garmin indexed BPM. It's a kind of a 101 guide of how to use it. But first of all, when you got it out of the box, it's ready to work. You just have to pull on the little paper that will stick out over here to let the battery works. By the way, this is a battery changeable device, not rechargeable. You have 4 AAA battery inside of here, and it's supposed to work for about 9 months. Yes, this should have done it rechargeable. Then, to unfold it, you've got this little Velcro over here, and you just unfold everything, and you can pull over here to create the space to put your arm inside. So, put your arm inside, put it directly onto your skin, and squeeze with your head, and there you go. It's pretty much not very. There we go. All right. There's few recommendations from Garmin about when and how to do it. I'll take the time to read it because I think it's worth to mention. Avoid eating, smoking, or exercise before measuring. After sliding the cuff strap onto your arm, relax for at least 5 minutes before taking the measurement. Use the same arm each time you measure. Measure at a consistent time of the day. Avoid tight or bulky clothing that could constrict blood flow. So basically, put something loose or nothing and put it directly onto your skin. Avoid talking during measurement, and avoid distraction. So be in a very calm room with nobody and just do your measurement. So actually this will not be a good time for doing it for me because I've just eat, but let's do it. There is 3 buttons over here. To power it on, just press on any of them and you wait a couple of seconds. You don't need your phone, you don't need anything for the moment. If you just want to do a measurement, this device works alone. Now, if I want to do a measurement, the middle button, there's a heart on it. If you press it, it will take a measurement. And if you hold it, it will take 3 measurements and do an average of those measurements. So now I'm just gonna press on the heart, and now I've got the heart, and yeah, you relax, and you do not like I'm doing right now. You just wait. It's not comfortable. All right, so now I've got my reading right there on the screen. It gives me the cis and dia with the numbers and my heart rate. And that's it. You've got your measurement just right there. Now, if you want to push the bar a bit further and use it with the app, well, now I can move it out from here. Simply remove it like that, pull like that, and you just turn it back just like that up to here, and you can put this little Velcro back on it, and it's a very portable device. Okay, if you want to push it a bit further, you can use the Garmin Connect app. This app that you see right there. Actually, it's already connected. If you need help to connect it, please see the video on the upper right corner. But once it's made, You will find the device. When you click on the device on the upper right corner, you will see probably your watch and your index BPM. So if you go inside here, you can manage users. So you can add users to, you can add up to 15 users. So you have the owner and 14 others. You can invite people to join it. That will be from your friend list. And if you want to add some friends, you can go into more at the lower right corner into connection. And from there, you can add some friends and invite them to join. The device can connect only on one phone. And in the end, you make the connection with the phone for the index BPM to connect on the Wi-Fi. Because in the end, you never need your phone to do the measurement, because when the measurement is done, it connects directly onto the Wi-Fi and then it syncs to your Garmin account. That's it. So from there, if you go, well, you can have by default your reading into calendar. So if you go on the day and you go on, I'll take the yesterday one. No, both were done today, I guess. There we go. I've got the reading. So you've got a point showing the systolic and the other one, the diastolic. I absolutely don't know what it means, sorry. But it gives you the reading on that chart. And you've got your reading for, well, today, the other day. You can get it for the week. It's a new device for me. For a week and a year, and everything will be there. All right. Get out of here. You can have access to it more easily from the front page on the home. As you can see here, I've got the blood pressure just right here because I did some modification. So to get it there, you must go on See All, Edit, and then scroll at the very bottom and Add. And when you'll go on Add, you will see the one that is just right here, blood pressure. So I move it up, save, and now from the front page, I've got the blood pressure just right there. Once you will add some users, when you will turn the device on, you will see the name of the user on the screen. You see now it says how to, this is me. There is the other initial of someone else, CL. And then you've got the character, and we do the loop of all the people that are connected on the device. So you just choose you, and you press on the heart, or you hold it if you want something more precise. And it's pretty much it. It's a very simple device to use. So I hope this was helpful.